in a huge park, people are concentrated at 3 points. Points A, B and C. Okay. Then where should an ice cream parlor be set up so that the maximum number of persons can approach it? So, more people will come to the ice cream parlor only when it is close to them, right? So, let us say I'll join the points A, B and C. Then I'll get a triangle, right? So, if I got a triangle, then I have to find a point, let us say O. Let us say the parlor is set up at a point O, okay? Then I have to locate the point O in this triangle ABC such that it is close to A, close to B and close to C. That means that for all the three conditions to be satisfied, it should be at the same distance from A, B and C, correct? Only then the visitors from all the three places can come to the parlor most easily. That means that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. So I have to locate a point which is equidistant from all the three vertices of a triangle. So I know that if I have a line segment, okay, let us say PQ, then the midpoint of the line segment is equidistant from the 2 points. So the midpoint is equidistant from 2 points. And if I draw a line perpendicular to line PQ from this point, okay, then any point on this line will be equidistant from these 2 points, correct? Okay. So let us say this is a point M and this is a point N. So N is midpoint of PQ. So Pn is equal to PQ. Sorry, NQ, right? And also, since Mn is perpendicular to PQ, this angle is equal to this angle. So in triangle PNM and triangle PNQ, okay, I have, sorry, M and Q, I have Mn is equal to Mn and I have Pn is equal to NQ because N is midpoint of PQ and angle PNM is equal to angle QNM is equal to 90 degrees, right? Because I drew the perpendicular, so these two angles are also equal. So what do I have? I have side angle side of one triangle is equal to side angle side of another triangle. This means that by SAS criterion, I can tell that these two triangles are congruent. That is, which two triangles? Triangle PNM is congruent to triangle QNM, correct? This means that the other pair of side will also be equal. I already have two sides are equal to each other. So the third side will also be equal. That means PM is equal to QM, right? So what did I get here? I got that any point on perpendicular bisector of PQ is equidistant from P and Q, correct? So equidistant from P and Q. So now what can I say? If I want a point which is equidistant from point A and point B, that should lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB, correct? And also, if I want a point which is equidistant from A and C, then it should lie on the perpendicular bisector of AC, correct? So, I can tell that the point O should be at the intersection point of perpendicular bisector of O and OC, correct? Intersection point of perpendicular bisector of perpendicular bisectors of AB and AC. You can also take AB and BC or AC and BC because the result is the same. All the three perpendicular bisectors meet at the point O. So if the ice cream parlor is set up at this point O, then since it lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB, OA is equal to OB, and similarly it lies on the perpendicular bisector of AC. So OA is equal to OC. So if I combine those two conditions, then I'll get OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. So that is what is the condition I have to satisfy. Therefore, the ice cream parlor should be set up at the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of all the three line segments, which is more frequently called as the circumcenter. This point O is for any general triangle ABC. The point O is known as a special name, that is circumcenter.